Hi guys, it's Anthony Dela Cruz here. Today I have a special unboxing, and it's BOOM! Mario Party Superstars for the Nintendo Switch. I got it at Target today. Happy Halloween, everyone! And I got a Nano controller. I'm just gonna open this first. Hold on. Yeah, I did it with that. And then I'm gonna open it. Cartridge. Now I'm gonna open this controller. I like this controller. I was planning to get one at GameStop and I didn't feel like I wanted one, but I decided to get it at Target because I like Target. I like GameStop, Target, Walmart, and Best Buy. I'm gonna open this. And this is the charger that came inside the box with. I like it. It looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. This is a thing for the... I like it. Looks pretty cool. And this is the controller. I like it. Bye guys, I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, turn on notifications on, and send a request on the comments. Bye guys.